Welcome back. Today's leg day. We're glad you're here for it. Hope you're feeling good from yesterday's workout. Let's go ahead and get a warm up. We're not going to do the arm twirls today. However, we are going to stretch those arms out. We still got to get them a little loose. Push them back. Just a little bit there. Hold it. Don't bounce it. Bring them together. Push it forward. Got to keep that back nice and loose. All right. Today we're going to reach back over the head. Try to roll your hand right down your spine. Just kind of stretching out that tricep. Getting it nice and loose. Nothing extensive. We're not trying to separate the shoulder there. All right. Let's bring that back up. Let's go to the other side. Reach that one back. Right down your spine. Holding it down there again. Don't put a lot of pressure on that shoulder. We're just loosening up. All right, bring it back up. Let's separate those legs a little wider than your shoulders. You're gonna go into that squat position. Now you're gonna lean over and touch that right shoe. Get everything here activated. Getting that left leg activated. Holding it there. And we're gonna switch over to the other side. Get everything activated, start feeling it. Oh no, I'm working already. Not quite. All right, standing back up. We're gonna bring that right leg right out in front of you. You're just gonna go down to your toes. Go down as low as you can. Again, don't hyperextend that knee. This is just warming up, we're just getting ready. 3, 2, 1, we're coming back up that leg. Stand back up. Now put that left leg out. Go down there to the toe. Get a good hamstring stretch. Feel it pulling. Feel that calf loosening up. All right, coming back up. Let's stretch those calves. Go down into a push-up position. Get on that toe, on that right toe. Put your left foot right on top or just keep it out of the way. Try to push that right heel into the ground. You're on your toe, pushing that right heel down. In 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and switch to the other side. Now your left foot's down. You're pushing that left heel down into the ground. Nice job. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do those abductor and adductor. Go in that crouch position. Push those knees out. Keep it nice and loose. T and I have been here for a while. All right, loose, but we want to make sure you don't hurt yourself. All right, put your hands on the outside. Push them out. Push them out. Get that. Activate those hips. 3, 2, 1. All right. We're going to do something everyone's pretty familiar with. We're going to start out with some air squats. 19 air squats. And here we go. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keeping those knees back. 13. Shoulders up. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Good job. Now we're going to go into some touchdown jacks. Touchdown jacks. Touchdown. We're all excited about free agency. Tom Brady's new career with Tampa Bay. Put those hands up. You're going to jump. Bring that right hand down. Back to touchdown. Jump. Bring that left hand down. Back to touchdown. Do 19. 19 on each side. In 3, 2, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doing good. That's 10. Feel those legs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, one more, right and left, 19. Glad I'm not an official, Mom, all over. All right, now we're gonna do some toe taps. You're gonna be in a squatted position, partial squat there. Shoulders are back. You're gonna take that right foot, tap it to the side, bring it back, go to the other side, and back. Here we go, 19 with each leg. Right, left, right, 2, right, 3, right, 4, right, 5, right, 6, keep those shoulders back, 8, 9, 10, you're almost there, 11, 12, good job, 13, right, middle, left, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, there it is, that's 19 already, good job. All right, now we're gonna do something a little more difficult. Again, watch to see if you want some modifications. Go ahead and clear some space out. We're gonna do a little bit of twisting while we're hopping. Get me down in that stance, like you're ready to go. You're gonna go right, my left, middle, other way. Left, middle, right, back. That's 1. We do 19. Really feel those legs engaged. Here we go, we're down. And go, left, middle, right. 1, 2, twist those hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Great job. Let's drop down on the floor and do some glute bridges. Some glute bridge. Get your mat or your towel. Lay it down there. Let me lay it on your back. Feet are flat. You're gonna get on your shoulders and your heels. Keep your toes pointed up. You're gonna keep your head up, looking through your knees. Bring those hips up as high as you can. Back down. Focus on working those glutes. Here we go, 19 times and up. 1, keep that head off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hold this one up. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. Now we're going to go into some plank to froggers. Plank to froggers. So we'll show you a side view and then we'll show you the front view. So you're going to start in a high plank. That high plank, keep those hips down, body nice and straight. You're going to bring those legs in, outside of your elbows, outside of your elbows, then back out. All right, in and out. Plank to froggers. You got to keep those knees outside your elbows. He's going to show you the modified version, or you can do something in between. Here we go, 19 times. We're in that high plank. Let's do it. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That wasn't so bad. Good job. Find a wall. You're at home, so I got a wall there. We're gonna do a wall sit from my count of 19. I'm counting a little bit slower than seconds. Go ahead and find that wall. Hands are off your legs. You're gonna lower yourself down. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go ahead and raise that left leg up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Trade legs. 16, 17, 18, 19. Good job. All right, now we're gonna do some pendulum lunges. Pendulum lunges. So we're gonna start feet right below your shoulders. You're gonna step back into a reverse lunge. You're gonna bring it up, not touch it to the ground, all the way to the front, and then back. All right, 19 times with each leg. Here we go in 3, 2, and back. Forward, back, 2, back. Don't drop that knee on the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Good job. Let's switch it over to the other leg. Yeah, shake it out. Shake it out. Here we go with that left leg. Starting back and forward. Back. 2. Keep that good lunge form. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're over halfway there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's right, it's getting hard. 16, 17, 18. One more. And 19. Good job. Well done. We got the fronts burning. Let's work on the backs. Let's do some gorilla squats. Gorilla squats. Tuck my shirt in. All right. We did these before. Hands and knuckles. You're gonna keep those knuckles right on the ground. Keeping those legs straight. You're gonna go down, back up to straight. Keep those knuckles in contact with the ground. 19 times. In 3, 2, let's do this. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get those legs all the way straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hold this one down. Hold this one up. Hold it up. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1. All right. Good job. Let's go back down in that plank position. You do those in and outs now. Kind of like a frogger. Only going to keep your knees inside your elbow. Inside your elbows this time. In and out. Get my shirt tucked in again. All right. In 3. Let me show you again, just in case you're foggy or you're tired. You're gonna be in that plank position. Bring those legs in and out. The difference is you're keeping those knees together this time. Here we go, 19 times. In 3, 2, and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, stand up for some calf raises. We're almost done. Calf raises. Here we go, 19 times, just going up as high as you can on those toes. And up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Scissor hops. We're on scissor hops. You're gonna be here in that lunge position, keeping those shoulders back, keeping that chest up high. You're gonna switch places. This is the last major thing. We're gonna do some core. You can do this 19 times in 3, 2, and get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, let's do some crunches. Little variation on yesterday's crunches. We're just gonna do standard crunches. Feet are flat on the floor. You're gonna go up and touch those shoes and back down. Keep those hands down. Feet out away from your buttocks. Don't bring them all the way in. You're just cheating yourself if you're doing that. Keep them out there. Focus on driving that belly button into the ground. 3, 2, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hold this last one up, hold it up, drive that belly button into the ground, get that air out. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do some Spider-Man planks. Spider-Man planks. So you're gonna be here in that high plank. You're gonna bring that leg up and out, take it back. Bring your other leg up and out and back. You wanna bring it up as close to your arm as you can. Again, don't hurt yourself, but you're bringing it up, taking it out. You're bringing the other one up and taking it out. All right, 19 times each way, then we're gonna be done. You're almost there. All right, here we go in 3. Nice high plank, and right leg, left, right. 2, exhale as you bring it up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, right. 6, right. 7, right. 8, right. 9, right. 10, right. 11, right. 12, right. 13, right. 14, right. 15, you're almost there. There's 16, right. 17, right. 18, right, and hold it up. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1. High and left. 3, 2, 1. There you go. That's our leg day for this week. Leave comments, let us know. Are these videos too long? Are they too short? And share them. We're not getting enough hits. We need some more views. Communication is going to cut us off. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.